Yo, what's up guys, it's Mckoy here, First Beat Effect. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm just gonna give you guys some updates of the things that I've been doing these past few days. Because I noticed that I've been offline, man, in YouTube. So yeah, I'm just decided to create this video. I'm already on my way to the airport. See, my luggage here, camera. By the way, that camera, I have a total of 120 gigabytes worth of memory, and all of them are full. And the reason behind that is I captured a lot of great moments here in Bacolod City. They're really great. So yeah, I'm going back to Manila. I'm just gonna edit these videos, these clips that I've captured, and I want to share them with you guys because I want to create a vlog that is intended for beatboxing travels, you know. So here in Bacolod City is the very first step, if I may say. So it has been a crazy week, man. Crazy but productive and fun week. We ate food that we used to eat before here, nostalgic, memorable foods, and we went out with my friends. We drank with all of the beatboxers and the pioneer beatboxers here in Bacolod City. We had good times. It was crazy, man. We shared some views, talked a lot. So I made sure those moments were captured so that I can share it with you guys. So I'm very excited to go home because I'm gonna edit all of these clips for me to show them to you in a presentable way. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna post the Beatbox travel vlog on Monday, and yeah, I hope that you will enjoy watching those vlogs. So good to see you guys. All right, and thank you for sticking around, and for the supporters, yeah, thank you so much, bro. Peace. Oh, and by the way, when I say Beatbox travel vlogs, what I mean is I wanted to travel the world and meet beatboxers, but I know it'll take some time for me to travel again, but you just have to save, you know. That's my main objective, man. I just decided to do that like a month ago. So just an idea that popped up in my out of my head. I just said, what if I travel? But the purpose of that travel will be meeting beatboxers, meeting the beatbox community of each place here in the world. So I just decided to start here in the Philippines, specifically in the Bacolod City, part of the Visayas region, Negros Occidental. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just gonna see you soon. All right, I'm really excited to share those videos with you. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for the support.